We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Lab Squad, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade and we're going on a trip, in a very rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Lab Squad time.
You don't tell little Einstein, so we team them team song, alright?
Guys, we're just waiting on the others to pull up, but thanks to the government, we have to go out and enjoy ourselves because we don't want to stay warm and the by ourselves. We know how to do that? No. So we're going to a villa for 2 days, starting today, and we're coming back on Tuesday. So we'll have one bag of food in the car, one bag of games, one bag of activities. Guys, I know we're going to be tired, but we are going to have fun. So if you want to stay tuned and watch our villa experience, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the share button, and comment down below what's your favorite part of today's video.
Guys, this video is going to be recorded on May 23rd to May 25th. So by the time we see this, I'm probably June, July. So I'm just flash back up. This guy would probably wonder which holiday I'm going now.
Yeah. Look to the driver.
Transporter, you know?
Yeah.
So I forgot
The ladies in there. Hush.
What's the ever shift?
Call it in the building.
Alright guys, so we're checking, we're moving. Everybody just are going to them own thing right now before we start looking for lunch. So let me just give you a vibe. Woo! Let me show you the place, guys. So start with outside. Let me let it autofocus. There we go. So we have our pool right here. We have our first visitors, Rochelle. Who we have here? Say hi. Yes, guys, the place is beautiful. Place is beautiful. Let me bring you inside now. Let's see who we have inside. Let's see what they're doing. They're playing ping. Oh, what is name? Table tennis. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Do something. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Woo! Guys, we have Colette over here taking pictures of nature. Woo! Right here we have Richie in the building. Alright guys, so this is our living room. We have upstairs. Guys, we have one room here and another room around here. Everybody already moved in already. So just showing you guys a quick tour because we're just here to enjoy ourselves. Alright guys, so right here we have the kitchen. We already stocked out everything in the fridge. So already stocked out. Fridge stocked out. We have our wash and dryer right here. So this is the kitchen, guys. When you come, you have dining table, sound system. You know, we have our own DJ. When you come around here, we have another room. All the rooms have an AC and all the rooms have their own bathroom connected to it, which is nice. So basically that's where we'll be staying for the next 2 days. I'm gonna change and let's turn up and have some fun.
Yeah. Are you
here we go, people. No, can you do the reverse here now? Ready? Remember that when you go reverse, it stops. Yeah. Remember, Baba.
Oi! I know how I want that. I know how I want that one there.
Yeah, we're not insured for that. Here we go. Wobble.
Where is he into this? Stylist. No. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, that's him. I don't like the.
My foot can't touch this. Try, Shani. My foot can't reach the pedal. Let us see you look big, girl. You lower the seat to your level. Come, Oli. It can't work. Shani, go on the thing. My bicycle, I like.
But you are margin at the passing.
And that me, I shall imagine. She look taller than you.
She look more sport than me.
Just qualified. Just say you can't do it.
Square.
No.
Because you didn't got a square.
Shani, try. Try. It can work. Run down here.
So what?
Go on the bicycle, Shadi.
Not even my foot.
Show them the green one. We are go down there, sir. Lower the seat here. Lower the seat if you want it lower. Kishan, go on there.
I'm scared.
That is not why you should be. Hold the steering.
My carrot is
Hold the steering. Hold my
You want to ride bike?
Hold the steering.
No,
Hold the steering. Hold the steering.
Shadi, do it for labs out loud. Shadi, do it for labs out loud. Do it for labs out loud.
That's as far as we go.
You're not doing it for labs out loud. She failed, guys. She failed. She failed.
Is that 5 feet?
Shadi, you can't hold on the bicycle. You're just afraid.
To me, I shan't.
You can hold on that one, for sure. I broke it up. I tell you, that's a college size bicycle, that.
Remember when you're braking? Just reverse.
Chantel, come Chantel, your hand. Can't ride bicycle, guys.
No, you say you can't ride bicycle?
That was before. Oh, this is gone now. Tell me how this works.
What you mean, oh, you go, college, no bother with it. You're better than me, Shadi. It's just too big.
Exactly. It's just too big. It feels too big. I'm scared to ride it. She may have it. I know what she do. How far you go?
It's I, Chantel.
Put that on one of the stools.
Chantel better than you.
You can go panic because she can't ride.
Bomba!
Yeah. But you have to reverse the brake, yeah? Like pedal back way.
Good.
Apart, you park. My ear, sir.
Okay, start on.
Yeah, girl. She better than you, Shadi.
Nice one.
Awesome.
Alright guys, so we're changed and now we're going to the pool and have some fun. So yeah, put it there. The girl from Langston. Yeah, my other girls over here. So yeah, let's go have a good time, guys.
Oh, you have video yet? Go on video. Let's go.
Good buddy. The after effect, guys. The after effect. Richie did that near us.
Let me alone. Don't get that deep. Oh, you go. I'm not touching. How's about 4
I'm gonna show you how deep this pool is, guys. If I'm gonna make it up, back, just remember that I love you, no? You know, blessing. Alright, ready? May I go down now?
Connected successfully.
Myself, prayer for my children.
Yeah, see you.
Yeah, it worked. Hey, let's up. It worked.
Wait a minute. Oh, this one is.
You want to catch up on it first?
Alright guys, welcome to Labs Out Loud Charade-a-thon.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Now, cat nap. Who snap? Quiet. Sleep. She not sleep. I'm insomnia.
Alright. Hey, you stand up, sir. Big man, stand up straight. And knock it little finger.
Come straight now. Come over.
Alright, good, one.
Stop wasting time. Wait,
You know me not like the team there.
something more there.
Bye. None, more or less.
Kiss. Good night kiss. Love. Heart.
Kiss.
Kiss. Happy kiss.
No more smoke, no more kiss. No. Yeah, she just the one underneath to lose a point. Yes, you did. No. No, I'm finishing the game. If you don't, you can lose a point. Yes, brother, she just You up for the food? Yo, look on the card, brother. 6 them girl, man. 6 and with a 4.
3, 2, 1.
Kiss. Kiss smooches. One we get? Don't worry about that, man.
What was it then, Charles?
Yeah.
I have read your motivation.
She a pop her
Yo, you never get 1. You never get 1, brother. You never get 1.
Three.
Yo, you have to take out the glasses. You can't see the word trim glasses.
So I'm not going to see
I don't care.
Climbing the ladder. Jacob ladder, sky high. Humpty Dumpty. Oh, monkey. Coconut tree. Coconut. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
No, listen up. Make sure you have to know.
Oh, that's it. Oh. Fanning. Fanning the. Oh, bull racing. Oh, cow racing. Praise bull. Head. Jockey. Cow. Head. Mexican cowboy. Mexican flag. Bull. Rider. Racing. Betting. Game. Bull trainer. Bull.
I want to skip that now. Final skip.
Dead. Body. Earth. Murder.
Alright, 2 points.
Go start them.
From 6 points, they added 2 and they're now on 8. That's Gaza.
How much we they now? 6.
Are chilling on 5.
6
Can they
for the charge.
respond?
6 for the charge.
Can they respond?
6.
3, 2, go.
No, you have to start over for that. You have to start over. Gown, overall, chest, 3 overall, 3 of all of us. All,
All over.
All over, all around, all over. Cover.
Head to toe.
Cover his clothes.
Man,
No.
you show the word. There you go.
Full. Body.
One skip.
Swim.
Swim,
Man,
dive.
you show the word. Hey. You try to
Fish. Fish, swim, aquarium. Water.
60 seconds on the clock.
Remember, after you get the word right, take you Richie. If we not get it, maybe you can do numbers without much letter.
Yeah, man, I hear down with
3, 2, go. Again.
Yeah, do 2 more
Hey,
skips.
Yeah, you have to open them one at a time.
Come ready,
Again,
ready.
yeah.
Pee-pee. Drive.
Done.
Drive. Off.
And
Urine
drive.
sample.
Walk it in.
And then drive.
Much words.
Second skip.
You have 1 more skip, so make sure you get this pump.
Should I get that one?
Done.
Hold the cards good, hold the cards good.
Hiding.
Up here dancing.
Rabbit. Wow.
Shake.
Dog.
Hold the
Puppy.
cards
Is
good.
that puppy? Shivering. Puppy. Too much words.
Okay.
Come.
One.
What is now?
No, but you know what you do?
Yes.
She said food.
Right.
Old lady, elderly, Alzheimer's, dementia, dementia, crazy, unsound mind, life, broke down. You want more to say that? Ready, last, ready, get this. And what? Focus, Kalera.
Oh, God, the feet are full. Oh, God. Oh, God, get out of me.
My brother said, walk it in.
Here, sit down. Yeah, I'm here with everybody.
Piss.
So why the word?
Yeah.
Why the word?
See, you're piss poor.
Oh, they don't know.
That's why
Yeah. That's an American expression. It broke. That's why we never be with the American
Yeah,
guy.
man, stand ready. Sit down.
Nine sharp. That's when you have try fart and you actually turn into this shit. Sharp. American words in America. That's what
that mean? Me never supposed to know what that means.
Come on, when you have fart and you squeeze out, look too much.
How much them gone?
You say sharp. Then just get one out of that round plus
So
9.
How much we there?
7.
So you fly right
Oh, we are win. Oh, God, I feel that we even forget who we win.
But that's all they need for time.
No charging with that 7 and then
the 9.
Oh, okay. Ready.
Iron mark.
Set.
Iron mark.
Set.
Get set.
Go.